Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to provide a bit of a walkthrough on how to log in and manage your account via the Marketing Broker dashboard. Plus showcase some of the features that are on the website so you can make the most out of your investment with Marketing Broker Australia. So let's get started. So you can see I'm on the home page for Marketing Broker Australia. To log in, just click on Member Login. And then depending on how you set up your account, you can log in via Facebook or Google, or just put in your username and password. At any point, if you forget what your password is, just use the recovery option below. So if we go here, now that I'm logged in as Marketing Broker Australia, you do have the option, you can see at the very top here when you first log into the dashboard. So just kind of click here, you can view your listing, jump to the dashboard. So that way if you're navigating your way through the website, you can always use that top section up there to get what you need. So we'll just refresh this page, seems to have frozen. Cool. Alright, so when we come to the dashboard, there's a couple of things that you'll see straight away. So first is the current banner ad that's playing throughout the website. So for this one here, it relates to the government grants, but this will change, throughout obviously the life cycle of the website. We also do have an announcement bar, which you don't see here, but just to give you an example of what that looks like. Is here. So at the moment we're not making any announcements on Marketing Broker Australia, but on one of our other websites, B2B Sunshine Coast, you can see what the announcement bar looks like as well, and that will be visible when you come to your dashboard if we have an announcement available. Now, if you haven't completed your profile, when you first come in, you'll see the options up here to jump in and just edit anything that remains with your profile page. But if you have completed all the steps, the first thing you'll see is the different content options that you have when it comes to publishing. Now, because I'm the admin, I've got access to everything, obviously. So the different articles, SoundCloud posts, which can be your podcasts, coupons, digital products, photo albums, videos, discussions, sub-accounts, all those types of things. And it's really straightforward in creating content. Just click through. So we click on website, blog article. Just follow the steps in terms of just completing it, which you may just copy and paste from from your own website or from your own social media accounts. So you're welcome to do that. Plus, you can jump in and edit that content as well. So just here, the real deal with Instagram Reels, if I want to jump in and edit, I just click here, edit post. I can view it, or if I wanted to use it as a template to replicate and create new content, I can also clone it as well. So you've got some good little options here. All right, let's have a look at some of the other options when it comes to the dashboard. Cool. Now you will have the option, you'll see, it's not here because obviously I'm an admin, but you'll also get the option to upgrade or downgrade your account as well. So if you come in as our marketing professional account and you want to upgrade to our coaching partner, you'll see a little button here called upgrade account. You click through that, change your subscription, and all that will be processed directly in the website. So it's a real convenient way of managing your subscription directly in the website. The other thing you might want to check out is profile statistics. So this launched about a month ago. So we do have a little bit of data that's coming through. So at any time you can jump on and check out how your content is performing. So post views, profile views, and over time, more and more data will start to come through, including the amount of leads created, forms completed, click to calls, all sorts of things. Everything's sort of tracked within the website, and over time your stat table will grow and start to cover more and more of the interactions taking place on the website. So it's a good way of transparently sharing how this website is performing in terms of the number of times your posts are being viewed, your profile being viewed, and then interaction with the different elements of the website as it relates to your profile. Any leads that might come through, so when people complete the form on the website, you can manage that directly here. You also get an email notification as well to let you know that you've received a lead, so you can follow it up and hopefully close it into a job. Similar with chats, so if anyone on the website has reached out to you for a direct chat, you'll get notified by email and be able to come in and edit here. Similar with reviews as well. So we can jump on, send you a review. You do have the option to moderate your reviews. So you can choose to delete any reviews you feel are not appropriate or not reflective of your work. So you do have full control of the reviews and a showcase with your profile. Then you got all the different post types that you've done. So all of them are listed here, so you can go through and check them out, edit, add new ones, including your sub accounts. And of course, you've got your information as well. So you can edit billing information, update credit card details, update your password, all sorts of things you can do within, typically what you would see on this type of website in terms of managing your account. You do that in that section as well. Now my favorites is quite cool. It's a nice little feature. So let's say we go through the resource hub and we check out some of the blogs, right? And this also works only if you're logged in. But let's say I really like this one here. So this article about the customer decision-making process, I want to be able to quickly refer back to this article. I just click like, right? Go through, do you need social media management in 2021? Cool. Digital branding suite, or say video marketing, right? So now I've got 3 articles that I like. Now when I come back to my dashboard, so I'll click here, back to dashboard. We go to my favorites. I've got those 3 articles saved, so I can very quickly refer back to the articles. It also works for searching for members as well. So if there's a couple that we want to connect with, let's say 5 Tales, I want to remember them, and connecting teams perhaps, right? So these are the 2 accounts I want to be able to quickly go to get their information. Same thing if I just go back to dashboard. Now I've got my saved members, right? So now I can jump in and very quickly access their details, and I can also just view the posts just from those members. So it's almost like my personal feed, so my dash feed, where I'm just viewing the content created, in this case from 5 Tales, that I can just review. So a really good way of kind of managing all the content that comes through the website, so you're getting exactly what you need when you need it, which is great. Cool, so that's it from the dashboard side. So let me just walk you through some of the features on the website as well. So there is a search option, so visitors to the website can jump in and do a search based on their city and what they're looking for, and then a list of relevant members will pop up. They can also search just purely by location or by category if they like to as well in terms of the search options. They can also jump into the category options here as well, and that will then generate a list. And then they've obviously got the consultation option as well, if they want to come back to us and discuss further about what's right marketing for them. We'll be adding a self-help platform as well, which will sit just here, where they can jump in and answer a series of questions, and then we will provide a list of recommendations of verified partners based on the answers to their questions. So we want to make it as easy and as fast as possible to generate good quality leads from the website to our marketing partners. So that will be added soon. I'll do a separate video walking through the verification process and how that self-help platform works. So that's still in development, but that will be launching soon. Cool. So these are obviously then highlights of content. These are all randomized, so it just randomly publishes content from different blogs that have been posted. Digital products as well. So for those in the 2 top tiers, you can release products, which is like ebooks and templates and swipe files and basically anything that's downloadable. You can also just do a direct link to your landing page or a direct link to your e-commerce store. So it doesn't have to be direct, like none of this is actually hosted on the website. It's hosted elsewhere, so it just drives a link to somewhere else. So a good way of kind of driving people in terms of lead capture documents. Alrighty, so the other thing I want to show you as well is we've got quite a comprehensive resource hub, blogs, videos, templates, training, events, and by the time you've seen this as well, it's how to use the website, so you can learn how to get more out of it, and the rest are all pretty straightforward. You'll see here we've got a warm welcome video bubble. And this is quite easy for us to set up. So actually, if you would like this on your own website as a way of just welcoming people to your account, let us know. It's just $50 one-time cost for us to set this up on your website. You share the video, we just host it on our platform for you. And then you've got Referrer as well. So we've got details on how to set this up on how this website works. So you see here, it's at the moment it's been set up. So anyone who has a referral for a customer who needs to upgrade their website, they can provide their details and we'll follow up. And if that lead gets converted to a customer, I'll pay them $200. And that's all managed through Referrer. And again, if you would like this set up on your website, very easy to do. So you're welcome to do that. So that's just on the right, so all the, how Referrer works and the widget, all those details are provided here as well. The other thing that we've done is we've created an RSS feed for each of our different content types. So you can jump in, and if you are using a social media schedule and you're looking for good quality source of content, and sharing members' content is fantastic because this is all local content, then yeah, you're welcome to use these RSS feeds. So whether it's just blogs, just videos, just events, or a combination of everything that's generated through the website. And of course, you can add our logo to your website as well. So that way you can help build trust and credibility with your potential customers by letting them know you're part of the Marketing Broker Network and you've been verified and proudly recommended by us. So you're welcome to use that on your website as well. Cool, so that's it for sort of the main things I wanted to show in terms of the dashboard. We're always adding new features and new options. So check this video every couple of months to see what else we've added to the platform. So thank you for watching. And if you've got any other questions, feel free to reach out to me, Luke from Marketing Broker Australia. The email address is luke@marketingbroker.com.au. Thanks for watching.